Can you identify the make and model of 20 vintage automobiles from the 1950s? Let's start the classic car quiz. Which of these 450s classics do you think this car is? The correct answer is A, 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 98. Pick from the following choices. It's D, 1955 Packard 400. What's your best guess for this one? This classic is B, 1958 Cadillac Series 62. If you're enjoying this quiz, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next classic car quiz. Make your selection for this 1950s car. This one is A, 1956 Imperial Southampton. What do you think this auto is? You're riding in style with C, 1953 Dodge Coronet. Which of these vehicles do you think we're looking at? This is A, 1957 Buick Special. Make your choice for this classic car. The correct answer is D, 1959 Pontiac Bonneville. What is your answer for this classic truck? If you picked B, 1959 Studebaker Deluxe, you're correct. Time to make your final answer from these options. You're looking at C, 1953 Nash Statesman. So which 50s automobile are we looking at? The right answer is B, 1951 Ford Victoria. Pick your answer for this vintage auto. This classic is A, 1956 Maserati A6G. Which of these do you think this is? Yes, it's C, 1956 Mercury Montclair. Select from these four answers. This one is B, 1952 Plymouth Cranbrook. What's your best guess for this vehicle? If you guessed D, 1957 Lincoln Premier, you're right. What is your pick for this station wagon? This is C, 1954 Chrysler Town and Country. Choose from these four 1950s autos. You got it right if you answered D, 1954 Hudson Hornet. Which classic is this one? The correct choice is B, 1952 Porsche 356. Select the right answer for this vehicle. It's A, 1955 DeSoto Fireflight. you know this one? Choose from these 4 answers. This one is C, 1959 Oldsmobile 98. Which of these vintage autos is this? If you said A, 1953 Austin, A30, give yourself a point. Leave a comment and let us know how well you did on the quiz. Don't miss the next classic car quiz. Subscribe to our channel now.